Hey folks, Joe here. Did you know that right now it's National Simplify Your Life Week? As it were, over at Eastwood.com, we've got a lot of great options to not only simplify, but make life in the shop that much easier and enjoyable. And I'm here to offer my top 3 solutions for you. Let's talk about it. So out the gate, probably the most obvious improvement you can make to a shop is adequate lighting. Nobody likes fumbling around in the dark and not being able to see the task at hand. That's why I recommend our LED modular light kit. Now you can buy these components separately, or you can find them in a nifty kit that includes the modular light, the tripod, and the underhood bar. Now this system really sets you up for success whether you're working inside the car, outside the car, under the hood. You're guaranteed to get light exactly where you need it and make life that much more easier. So again, I highly recommend picking up one of our LED modular light kits to just shine light on what you're working on. Next up is storage solutions. We offer a variety of toolboxes and racks, but I'm going to break it down into my top 3 racks. First, we have our extra wide aerosol can rack. Now this is a nice, durable rack that can hang anywhere in the shop, holds up to 12 aerosol cans, basically making sure they're organized and at arm's reach wherever you need them in the shop. Second is our air tool rack. This is again a really nifty rack, powder coated in satin black, so it's extra durable, and this bad boy holds up to 10 air tools or 50 pounds. Put it anywhere you want in the shop and you'll have air tools accessible at all times. Lastly, for those who have the Contour SCT, highly recommend picking up our Contour SCT Rack. This is not only great to hang the SCT unit itself, but a really nifty way to keep your wheels organized and keep that Allen key on hand so you can easily swap out those drums when needed. Again, 3 really smart storage solutions that you can hang almost anywhere in the shop. Last but not least, a really simple way to declutter and consolidate the machines you have around the shop is investing in a quality multi-purpose welder. No longer do you need a TIG machine, a MIG machine, and a stick weld machine. Our MP welders combine all those processes into one, and we offer 3 at different price points. First, we have our MP140i, second, our MP200i, and lastly, our MP250i. The best way to think about these units is the power supply that they require and the max welding thickness that they can put out. The MP140i, great machine, operates at 120, very common voltage in the garage, and has a max welding output of 3/16 steel. Bump that up, we have our MP200i. Now this can operate on both 120 and 240 volts, so extremely versatile, and this can weld up to 3/8 of an inch thick. Pretty impressive. Now if you know you're going to be tackling extremely thick steel, our MP250i is definitely the big boy way to go. You can weld steel up to 1/2 inch thick. Again, it operates on 120 and 240 volt, but you'll definitely want that 240 volt to get the max welding thickness out of this machine. Again, 3 units that makes life in the shop that much more simpler, and you can consolidate your TIG, MIG, and stick machine into one easy stowable unit. So there you have it, a bunch of really smart options to simplify your life in the shop. You're going to declutter, you're going to organize, and you're going to consolidate with these options. Again, this is just a small sample of what's available at Eastwood.com, so be sure to check out all of our offerings and grab yourself an incredible deal today.